Welcome to our series of lessons on straight line from the unit applications of higher maths. Today we're going to cover parallel, collinear and perpendicular lines. Hopefully by looking at the slide, figure 1 and figure 2, and reading the text, it will become clear why it's safer to use 3 coordinate pairs of points to draw a straight line. In the diagram I've not shown it, but what I would normally do is use the x and y intercepts as 2 of the points and then find an additional point. Let us consider figure 1 and figure 2. In figure 1 we can see that we have 2 lines with different gradients. Therefore these lines are not parallel. In figure 2, where we have lines that are equidistant from each other, the 2 gradients will be the same. So if we consider the simplest form of a straight line equation, y equals mx plus c, or just y equals mx, and consider the 2 equations y equals 2x and y equals 3x, these lines, because the gradient in one is 2, gradient in the other is 3, are not parallel. To be parallel, just to make sure you understand, y equals 4x and y equals 4x plus 3 even, both these lines are parallel. Here is a question where we're given 3 points and asked to show that these points are collinear. In other words, they lie on the same line and share common points. From the points given, there are 3 possible line segments that we can see: AB, AC, or BC. Now, first task to do is find the gradient and make sure that for any 2 sets of points that we've got the same gradient. So what we've chosen here is the gradient AB. So put the coordinate pairs in for AB and find the gradient, which in this case is 3/5. Then using a common point, in this case B, we're finding the gradient of MBC. Same again, find the gradient, and we find it at 3/5 again. This tells us that for these 2 points, the gradients are the same. Since we have a common point, B, in both cases, then the line must be collinear. Job done. We've now come to the end of lesson 1.3a, where we've covered parallel and collinear lines. Hope you found this of interest and helpful. Thank you.